Ramaphosa wile uwile uRamaphosa wile phansi ngoThabo Mbeki phansi phansi ngoThoko Siwane phansi jikijela mkhonto jikijela jikijela mkhonto jikijela. If you are MK, you click. You are 14 years and 45. Raise your hand like this. Comrades, usathane simehlule. We are only left with few days before we take power, because on the 1st of June, MK shall be the government. President Zuma shall preside over this government. Nebari, Rimbusho, Wamazulu fela, Kimazulu awa. MK is everywhere. MK is in KwaZulu Natal. MK is in Eastern Cape. MK is in Gauteng. MK is in North-West. MK is in Free State. Comrades, i-UGDT, i-MK, umayithatha siyacela baba ukuthi ama-EPWP aqashwe njengabasebenzi. i-MK mayithatha siyacela baba ukuyatrena sibabafosha sivilelise lethu. i-MK ithatha amaphoyisa, othisha, onesi, we must increase their salaries. Home